Welcome to HubSpot Hacks. I'm Allie, and I'm going to show you the Chrome extension for HubSpot. So if you haven't used Chrome yet, there's a lot of powerful extensions you can use to give you another application for a lot of different software pieces. So in this case, I already have some loaded up here, but if you wanted to add this, you would go to More Tools under your Chrome, those three little dots, and then you click on Extensions. Once you get to Extensions, I can go ahead and go to Get More Extensions. And in there, I want to search the HubSpot Sales and search for that. You'll see that it comes up here, and I can add this to my Chrome browser. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then you'll see that it's been added to Chrome. So now I need to log in and go ahead and set this up. So it looks like it's already going to take my credentials since I've already set up. If you need to log in, you might have to do that. But here I have basically activity that I can look at without even being in my HubSpot browser or my HubSpot portal. So if you happen to be working in, let's say, your email or a different type of environment, you can easily see different types of activity that's transpired in your HubSpot portal with your leads, your contacts. You can choose to have it submit a pop-up notification each time if you want to, and you can turn this off or turn it on. And then different highlights, you can have all sorts of different customizations on what you can see here by the drop-down, but by having this here, it just gives it all to you at your fingertips and allows you to make a lot better decisions and stay on top of what you need to stay on top of to conquer those sales efforts. If this was helpful, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more HubSpot hacks and send us a note if there's anything that you'd like to see us cover.